Good morning, students of class 9. Welcome back to the e-classes now. We'll continue as usual. So, in English, we'll do Sound of Music Part 2. It's all about Bismillah Khan and his achievements and his dedication and endeavor. We'll talk about that. In our previous class, we have talked about his favorite place where he used to practice was Balaji Mangala Mahiyan and the bank of the river Ganga. He used to go there and practice in solitude. We have talked about that. Now we'll go further, more. Let me revise number 1. The young apprentice. Apprentice, I have given you or told you the meaning. Young learner. The young apprentice or the learner, favorite place to learn Sanhai in solitude, alone, were the Balaji Mangala Maya and the banks of the river Ganga. He used to sit there whole day and he used to practice there. After that, number 2, the flowing water of Ganga. The flowing water of Ganga inspired him, encouraged him to improvise. Improvise means to discover or compose. Improvise, discover or compose, whichever you write. Ragas. Ragas means tune that were earlier considered to be beyond the range of the Sanhai. Previously, people used to play, his family members also used to play the Sanhai. But the ragas, the tunes, such a tune, they could not produce such tunes which Bismillah Khan, he improvised, he composed such tunes, and the people thought that this type of ragas cannot be produced by Sanhai. So, but Bismillah Khan proved that was false. He composed the ragas which were out of the range. It was thought that were earlier considered to be beyond means you can say that beyond the range of the sun. All the people were surprised, even his family members were surprised. How he produced such a beautiful music which others could not. Now number 3, at the age of 14, Bismillah accompanied means go along with. Bismillah accompanied his uncle. We know his uncles in Banaras. His name was Ali Baks. Accompanied his uncle to the Allahabad music conference. There was a music conference and Ali Baks went and Bismillah Khan accompanied him. What happened there? All the musicians from around surrounding areas, from all over the place, musicians came there and they played the music. Each one had a turn. Ali Baks also played, his uncle. At the end, the organizer asked the audience, whoever were sitting there watching and listening, the organizer asked, is there anyone who want to give a try? Then Ali Baks, his uncle, said, Bismillah, you go and try, give it a try. Then Bismillah Khan, he stood up and he went to the dais, to the platform, and he started playing the Sanhai. He was not very perfect at that time. He was very young, at the age of 14 only. He was only 14 years old. He was not perfect. He was practicing. But he started playing. At the end, when he finished playing of his recital, means of his playing the music, Ustad Fayyaz Khan, there was another experienced musician was there. Ustad Fayyaz Khan patted him at the back and said, work hard and you shall make it. One of the great musicians, Ustad Fayyaz Khan, he patted his back and said, work hard and you shall make it. So Bismillah Khan was quite satisfied. He was very happy. At least someone is encouraging him. So, number 5, with the opening of All India Radio in Lucknow in 1938, in 1938 All India Radio was opened in Lucknow, and it was a big break for Bismillah Khan. That was a turning point for him. Came a big break for Bismillah Khan. That was a turning point. He got the opportunity to play there. He was often called to play. He soon became an often heard Sanai player in the radio. Very often he was called to play the Sanai in the radio for certain programs, and very often people could hear Sanai playing in the All India Radio. And from then onwards, he never looked back. He kept on working hard. He used to practice day by day. Hard work he used to do, practicing in solitude, and slowly he gained his perfection. So later on, what happened after that? A big break came to him in 1938 when All India Radio opened in Lucknow, and he used to go there very often, and he used to play there, and people used to hear the Sanai in the All India Radio. So now after that, to be continued, you go through this, read your book properly. So I'd like to advise you that you should not waste your time. Keep on studying, make a habit of going through this once a day, or morning or evening, anytime. So use your net pack wisely to learn something. So that's all, and thank you for watching the video. You can copy this out or go through this, and we'll meet in the next class tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. That's all for today.